Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing worksheet for class 6 circulatory system in humans. Just have a quick review. RBCs are produced in veins, capillaries, bone marrow, arteries. RBCs are produced in bone marrow. Which of the following prevent blood loss by forming clots? Plasma, WBCs, RBCs. They are the platelets. Which of the following group has an antigen B and antibody A? It is the blood group B. Which of the following device is used to listen to the heartbeat? It is stethoscope. The average systolic pressure for an adult is 80 millimeter mercury. Fill in the blanks. Blood platelets are smaller than RBCs and WBCs. Blood group AB is called the universal acceptor. Fine blood vessels connecting arteries and veins are called capillaries. Blood in veins flows smoothly under low pressure. The circulation of blood between heart and lungs is called pulmonary circulation. Right, true or false? Collect the false statement. Antibodies are proteins present on the surface of RBCs. Yes, it is correct. Blood group O has both antigens A and B. It is wrong. Blood group O has both antibodies. Veins are the thin-walled vessels with the walls. Yes, veins are thin-walled vessels with the walls. Walls are present in arteries. False. It is wrong statement. Walls are present in veins, not in arteries. Right? This is false. It is right. Wrong. It's not right. Write two difference between erythrocytes and leukocytes. See, erythrocytes, they are RBCs. They had the red pigment, red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Leukocytes, they are colorless. Erythrocytes, they help in the transfer of oxygen from lungs to the different parts of the body. Leukocytes, they help in fighting against the infection. Right? What are arteries? Arteries are those blood vessels which carry blood from heart to the different parts of the bodies. How does blood flow from auricles to ventricle? See, blood first auricles to ventricle. Right auricle, then right ventricle. From right ventricle, it goes through pulmonary artery to the lungs. Each lungs, from pulmonary vein, it comes back into the left auricle. From left auricle, it comes to the left ventricle. So that is what how from auricles to ventricle. From the ventricles in the body parts, through aorta, it goes to the body parts. From body parts, arterioles, capillaries, venules, vein, and again through vena cava, it reaches into the right auricle. If you are asked only auricles to ventricle, then from here to only this auricles to ventricles. This passage was supposed to be followed. Right? How does blood flows from the auricles to the ventricles? I told you here. What is the difference of pulmonary circulation? Pulmonary circulation of blood from heart to lungs and from lungs back to heart. That is from pulmonary artery, from right ventricle through pulmonary artery into the lungs, and from lungs back through pulmonary vein into the left auricle. This is pulmonary circulation. Now systematic circulation, from heart to the different parts of the body and from different parts of the body back to the heart. Now this much is your pulmonary circulation. Now further it comes, this is the systemic circulation. And when pulmonary systematic circulation too, because heart goes twice to the heart for completing one cycle, and that is called the double circulation. Systemic, from heart to the different parts of the bodies and from different part of the bodies back to the heart, that is called the systemic circulation. WBCs are colorless. Yes, WBCs are colorless because they don't have any pigment. The pericardial membrane is filled pericardial fluid. It protects the heart from external shocks and injuries. Right? Okay. Now immediately we also go through the worksheet for respiratory system in humans also. Take the most appropriate. The product of breathings are carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Rest options here. What human respiratory system? Take the most appropriate answer. The products of the breathing are carbon dioxide and water. water and energy, oxygen energy, carbon dioxide, water energy. The correct option is carbon dioxide, water and energy. What are the end products of anaerobic respiration? The end products of anaerobic respiration are ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Which of the following is not comprised by respiratory tract? The nasal cavity, trachea, hands, larynx. It is the hands. When the volume of the chest cavity increases the pressure in it, when the volume of the chest cavity increases the pressure in it when the volume of the chest increases the pressure in it decreases. जब वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है तो वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है तो प्रेशर कम होता है. In human beings, during exhalation the diaphragm moves downwards. Fill in the blanks. In aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Microscopic air sacs at the end of the bronchioles, they are called alveoli. Carbon dioxide released during internal respiration combines with the hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. When a cold or flu persists for weeks together, then it leads to the influenza. Write two difference between the breathing and respiration. When you ask breathing and respiration, see the here differences. Breathing, it is a mechanical or physical process. Respiration, it is a biochemical process. In breathing, no enzymes are involved. In respiration, various enzymes are involved. It occurs at the site of exchange of gases outside the cell. It occurs inside all the cells and is called cellular respiration. No energy is released. Here, energy is released. What is anaerobic respiration? The respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. It is called anaerobic respiration. What do you understand by the lungs? Main organs of respiratory system in land animals, they are the lungs. What is pneumonia? हाँ ये है ना कि when a cold or flu persists weeks together, then it is called pneumonia. What is pneumonia? Bacterial viral infection. Fluid gets accumulated in the air sacs. What are the symptoms of tuberculosis TB? It is prolonged low fever, low grade fever, काफी समय तक रहता है, persistent cough, chest pain, and blood in the stomach due to the infection in lungs. Nasal cavity is lined with the hair, so it filters the air when it enters inside the any dust particle they get entangled among the hair and they are not supposed to reach inside your lungs. Pleural fluid keeps the surface of the lungs moist so that they can perform their functions properly. कोई भी चीज ड्राई होगी तो कोई भी बॉडी के इंटरनल फंक्शंस अच्छी तरह से परफॉर्म नहीं हो पाएंगे. राइट द कॉजेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग: अस्थमा, एलर्जी; bronchitis, viral infection; pneumonia, bacterial and viral infection. I hope it is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me again in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.